Dinner through the ages from fire to microchips. People cooked over fire for a long time. It was the only way. Then came stoves and ovens, making cooking easier. Refrigerators kept food fresh longer. Dishwashers helped with cleanup. Each invention changed how we cook. Now, we have robots in the kitchen. These aren't the robots from the movies though, they are machines that help us cook and prepare food. Just like earlier inventions, they are changing how we cook. These changes didn't happen overnight. It took many years for kitchens to become what they are today. But one thing remains the same. People love good food, and robots might be the next step in making delicious meals. Meet the machines robots in your kitchen. What can robot chefs do? Some robots are like extra pairs of hands. They chop vegetables or stir pots. This frees up the cook to do other things. Other robots cook entire meals. They have containers for ingredients. You put the ingredients in, and the robot does the rest. These robots can make soups, sauces, and even full dinners. Some robots are small, like a coffee maker. Others are big, like a refrigerator. They all have one thing in common. They use technology to make cooking easier. A helping hand making cooking easier. Robot chefs have many benefits. First, they save time. Imagine a robot chopping onions while you prepare the other ingredients. That would be a big help. Second, robots can cook perfectly every time. They follow recipes exactly. This means less food waste and more delicious meals. Third, robots can help people who have difficulty cooking. Someone with arthritis might find it hard to chop vegetables. A robot chef can do this for them. The robots limits what they can't do, yet. Robot chefs are amazing, but they can't do everything. For example, they can't taste food. A human chef knows when to add a pinch of salt or a squeeze of lemon. Robots can't do this, yet. Robots also need instructions. They can't improvise like a human chef. If an ingredient is missing, a human can find a substitute. A robot might not know what to do. Finally, robots need electricity. If the power goes out, your robot chef won't be much help. Section 5, Robots in Restaurants, Cooking Up a Storm. Robots are already working in some restaurants. They can cook the same dish many times, always the same. This is helpful for fast food restaurants. Robots can also help in busy restaurant kitchens. They can do tasks like chopping vegetables or washing dishes. This frees up the human chefs to focus on more creative tasks. Section 6, Future Feasts. What's cooking in robot kitchens? What will the future of cooking look like? Will we all have robot chefs in our homes? It's hard to say for sure. But one thing is certain. Technology will continue to change how we cook. We might see robots that can taste food or create their own recipes. We might even have robots that can grow our food. Section 7. Learning to cook. Will robots replace chefs? Some people worry that robots will replace human chefs, but this is unlikely. Cooking is about more than just following recipes. It's about creativity, passion, and sharing food with others. Robots can help us cook, but they can't replace the joy of cooking. They can't replicate the feeling of creating something delicious from scratch. Section 8. The Human Touch, Why We Still Love to Cook. Cooking is a way to connect with our food. When we cook, we learn about different ingredients and flavors. We experiment with new recipes and techniques. This is something that robots can't replicate. Cooking is also a social activity. We cook for our families and friends. We share meals together and create memories. These are experiences that robots can't replace. Section 9. Dinner is served. Embracing the future of food. Robot chefs are here to stay. They can help us cook faster, easier, and better. But they won't replace the joy of cooking. We'll always need human chefs to create delicious food and share it with others. So let's embrace the future of cooking. Let's use technology to make cooking more fun and enjoyable for everyone.